Okay. Good morning to one and all. Yesterday, what we have seen yesterday the very important point, that is nothing but the RL series circuit. Okay. In that series circuit, what we have seen, first of all, we have seen how it's a circuit arrangement. Then what will be the formula? After that, we have drawn the phasor diagram. Then we have drawn the voltage triangle, then impedance triangle, and then the power triangle. Okay. Now same concept is there, same concept we are going to apply, but today we are going to see the another important point, that is nothing but the RC series circuit. Okay, so just instead of yesterday L, we have to replace with the capacitance C. Okay, so see, I'm going to drawing just figure here. Let us see, let us actually see how that figure is. Okay, now what is that? RC series circuit. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the capacitance. Okay, which is connected across the voltage V. Okay, so yesterday we have seen it. This is nothing but the resistance R and this is the capacitance C. Okay, now the current flowing through this circuit is I ampere. Okay, now the voltage across or voltage drop across this resistance is VR, and the voltage drop across this capacitor is VC. Everybody got it? What is the difference in yesterday's circuit and this circuit? Only instead of this inductor L, what we have connected here, just we have connected the capacitance here. Okay, remaining thing as it is. Okay, the applied voltage is V volt, the current through this circuit is nothing but the I ampere, and the voltage drop across this resistor is VR, the voltage drop across the capacitor is VC. Everybody got it? Okay, now see, what can I write the voltage drop across this voltage VR, or what I can I write for the VR? VR साठी काय लिहू शकतो मी? The voltage drop across the resistance, what I can write? I into what is that? I into R. Whether it is correct? Everybody, whether it is correct? Okay,
Yes.
now what we have to do, same yesterday what we have सगळ्यांनी कालचा आठवा, the voltage drop across the resistance, that is VR is equal to I into R. Now voltage drop across the VC, what I can write? VC is equal to, आपण काय लिहिलं होतं काल? I into XL. So here what is that? I into what is that? It is nothing but the XC, where XC is nothing but the capacitive reactance. Okay, yesterday what we have written, VL is equal to I into XL, where XL is nothing but the inductive reactance. Okay, now by taking the reference of this, what we have to do, we have to draw the phasor diagram now. Okay, so see, I have taken first of all this current as the reference. This is nothing but the I. Okay, so if I will consider only resistive circuit, so what is the phase difference between current and resistance? Sorry, what is the phase difference between current and voltage in the, what I can say, purely resistive circuit?
Zero.
Zero. So how I can, where I can draw? This is my up to this one. This is my VR phasor. Okay, this is my VR phasor. Now in the, if I will consider only capacitive circuit, then what will be the phase difference between voltage and current? Who is leading? In the capacitive circuit, who is
Current.
leading? Current leads the voltage by how many angle?
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2 radian, or you can say it is nothing but the 90 degree. So how I can draw? My current phasor is here. So how I am drawing it? See here, this is my, what I can say, VC phasor. Okay, and the angle between these two, that is nothing but the 90 degree. Now what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to find the resultant. So what? Just draw the parallel line here, okay, to this line, okay, and then parallel line to this line, and whenever they are intersect at this point, now from this point to this point, draw the phasor, which is nothing but the my resultant V, okay, and this angle is nothing but the phi. This angle is nothing but the phi. कळलेलं आहे का सगळ्यांना? What is the difference between yesterday's phasor diagram and this phasor diagram?
Yes.
Everybody got this one? What is the difference between yesterday's phasor diagram and this phasor diagram? कळलंय का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, if this side is VC, so what will be this side? ही side पण काय असणार आहे? that is nothing but the VC. आता याच्यावरून मी काय करतो? I am going to draw this one triangle. त्यालाच तुम्ही काय म्हणताय? You can call it is nothing but the voltage triangle. Okay. आता बघा, just this is nothing but the VR phasor. Okay. This is my VC phasor and this is my total voltage V phasor, and this angle is nothing but the phi. Got it, everyone? Everyone got it? Now what I have to do? I have to write the equation for yesterday's like voltage and current. Now this is the which triangle? Whether this is a right angle triangle. Okay. So what I can write for this triangle as far as the Pythagoras theorem is concerned, what I can write? Just tell me what I can write. V is equal to under root. कशाचा square येणार आहे? What will be two side square?
VC square and VR.
Correct. VR square plus VC square. Okay. हे कळलंय का सगळ्यांना? VR square plus VC square कसं आलं? This is your hypotenuse. This V is your hypotenuse, and these are the two sides of the triangle. So in this right angle triangle, I have used the Pythagoras theorem. So what is that? V is equal to under root VR square plus VC square. So what value of VR I can put now? What is the value of VR? Same like yesterday, I into R bracket square plus what will be the value of VC? I into XC bracket square. Okay. आता यातून कॉमन काय निघणार आहे? What will be the common from this?
I square.
I square. ते I square जर square root च्या बाहेर आलं तर काय होणार आहे? It becomes the I. So what will be the remaining into bracket? R square plus XC square. Okay, this is equal to V. So what is that? V is equal to I into this, and whatever this term is there, this is called as the impedance of RC series circuit. What is that impedance? Z is equal to under root R square plus XC square. Under root R square plus XC square, where that Z is called as the, what I can say, Z is called as the impedance of that particular circuit. Okay, कळलेलं आहे का? मग माझा फॉर्म्युला काय येणार आहे? व्हॉट विल बी द फॉर्म्युला फॉर व्ही? V is equal to I into Z. V is equal to I into Z, where Z is nothing but the under root R square plus XC square, which is called as impedance of that particular circuit. Everybody got this one? Everybody got this one? Now already I have drawn the voltage triangle. See here, I am just erasing this one because now it will have to draw the another one here. Now see here, I have already drawn the voltage triangle here. Okay, so this is my voltage triangle. Okay, so by referencing this voltage triangle, what you can write for the what I can say, what will be the sin phi now? Sin phi चा फॉर्म्युला काय असेल आता त्या व्होल्टेज ट्रायंगल ला बघून? What will be that sin phi? Voltage triangle बघा, voltage triangle.
VC divided by V.
V, correct. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse, correct. What will be the my now cos phi here in this one? What will be the cos phi?
VR divided by V.
Correct. That is equal to VR divided by V. This is my formula by referencing this voltage triangle. Okay. Now, by what I will do, if I have to find the impedance triangle, then what I have to do, I have to divide each side of the voltage triangle by the what, each side of the voltage triangle by the I. म्हणजे बघा आता मी इथे impedance triangle काढतोय. I am going to draw the impedance triangle here. Okay, this is my voltage triangle. Now what I will do, with the divide the each side by the I, म्हणजे काय येणार आहे बघा, this is voltage triangle. Okay, so whenever I will divide this VR by I, VR divided by I, so what it becomes, VR divided by I म्हणजेच काय येणार आहे तुमचं, बघा इथं आपण आधी लिहिला होता फॉर्म्युला, VR इज इक्वल टू I इंटू R, बरोबर आहे का. त्याच्यानंतर काय लिहिलं आपण, VC इज इक्वल टू I इंटू XC, बरोबर आहे. म्हणजेच VR डिवायडेड बाय R म्हणल्यावर VR डिवायडेड बाय I म्हणल्यावर तुमचं काय येणार आहे, दिस साइड विल बी रिप्रेझेंट युअर R. ओके, दिस साइड रिप्रेझेंट युअर R. नाउ this side VC divided by current, so what will be that, VC divided by I, so what it becomes, XC, correct. This is the XC, and whenever I will divide this V by total current I, so what it becomes, it becomes the Z, which is nothing but the impedance of that particular circuit, and this angle is nothing but the phi. Okay, everybody got this one? This is my impedance triangle. Now from this impedance triangle I have to write the equation for sin phi. So what will be the equation for sin phi from this impedance triangle? Tell me.
Divided by Z.
Correct, XC divided by Z. And what will be the equation of cos phi now?
R by
Z. Correct, cos phi is equal to R by Z. This is the two equation I have drawn from this particular, what I can say, impedance triangle. Okay, now whenever I have to find the, after the impedance triangle, what is important for us, that is nothing but the power triangle. Okay, so how to draw the power triangle, everybody knows that. Power triangle कसा ड्रॉ करायचा आहे, व्होल्टेज ट्रायंगलला जर इम्पिडन्स ट्रायंगल पाहिजे असेल तर आपण ईच साइडला डिवाइड बाय आय करतो. जर मला पॉवर ट्रायंगल पाहिजे असेल तर काय करणार आहे, मल्टिप्लाय ईच साइड ऑफ व्होल्टेज ट्रायंगल बाय द करंट आय. ओके, सो सी हियर आय एम राइटिंग हियर, आय एम इरेजिंग दिस वन. ओके, आता बघा, okay, this is the angle phi. Now what I have to do, multiply each side by the I, so this is VR into I. But what will be the value of VR from this equation? ह्या इक्वेशन वरन VR ची व्हॅल्यू काय येते,
V cos phi.
Correct. So what will be your this side? This side is nothing but the VI cos of phi. ओके. नाव दिस साइड, ही साइड कन्सिडर करा इकडची. ओके. काय what I did VC into I. Okay. But from this equation, what will be the value of VC? ह्या इक्वेशन वरनं, ह्या इक्वेशन VC ची व्हॅल्यू काय ती आहे?
V
V
sin phi.
sin phi. So what will be your this equation? VC ची व्हॅल्यू V sin phi ठेवलं तर काय येणार आहे? VI sin of phi. VI sin of phi. आणि जर आता ह्याला मी जर V into I, only if I will divide this V into I. So what it becomes? This side is your apparent power, this side is your active or true power, and this side is your reactive power. Everybody got it? Okay. This side shows your apparent power, this side shows your active or true power, and this side shows the, what I can say, your reactive power, or what we can say, the power which is not utilized into the circuit. Everybody got this one? सगळ्यांना हे कळलेलं आहे का? हा, everybody got this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the, what we have seen. We have seen the RC series circuit. लक्षात घ्या, जर तुम्हाला फेजर डायग्राम एकदम क्लिअर आली, if you get the phasor diagram very clearly, no, then there is no difficulty for drawing the voltage triangle, impedance triangle, and what I can say, power triangle. कळलेलं आहे का सगळ्यांना? एव्हरीबडी गॉट इट? मी अजून एकदा बघा सांगतो फेजर डायग्राम, हाऊ टू ड्रॉ दी फेजर डायग्राम. हियर two circuits were, two elements were present there, resistive and capacitive. Okay. So if I will consider resistance in this particular resistive circuit, the current and voltage having the phase difference 0. So I have first of all taken the current as the reference, and after that I have drawn the phasor of VR. Okay. Why I have drawn it like this? Because the phase difference between voltage and current is 0. Okay. Now next, if I will consider the capacitive circuit, so what it will happen in the capacitive circuit? Current leads the voltage, VC voltage, by an angle 90 degree. So I have drawn the VC phasor here, and here current is leading this voltage by how many angle? 90 degree. But what I have to do? I have to find out the resultant voltage V. So what I did, I have just drawn the two parallel line for each and every phasor, and whenever that two parallel line intersect, from that point to this origin point, I have drawn the phasor, and whatever that phasor is there, that is your capital V, or you can say it is the resultant voltage. Okay. And apart from that, we have drawn the voltage triangle by taking the reference of this. So whenever we are dividing the each side of dividing each side of voltage triangle by the current I, whatever the triangle we are getting, that is nothing but the impedance triangle. And whenever I will multiply each side of the voltage triangle by the current I, whatever the triangle I am getting, that is nothing but the, what I can say, power triangle. Okay. कळलेलं का सगळ्यांना? एव्हरीबडी जस्ट गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
ओके. आता तुम्ही काय करायचं लक्ष द्या. काल काही जण म्हणत होते, आता पहिल्यांदा फक्त व्यवस्थित सांगतो काय ड्रॉ करायचंय तुम्हाला. पहिल्यांदा हे त्याची सर्किट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करून घ्या. पहिल्यांदा हेडिंग द्या RC series circuit. Okay. After that, draw this phasor diagram, then draw this voltage triangle, impedance triangle, and then draw this what I can say, power triangle. कळते का सगळ्यांना? Everybody got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so draw it in your notebook. First of all, draw this circuit diagram, then draw this phasor diagram, then draw this voltage triangle, impedance triangle, and then draw this power triangle. But just give the heading there, कुठला triangle आहे असे heading द्या. Okay, within a 10 to 15 minutes you can draw this all things. 10 to 15 minutes you can draw this all things. completed everyone? सगळ्यांचं झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically what you are observed from this RL and RC series circuit, see that as every time it is not, why we are studying this, every time it is not possible to connect only resistance or what I can say only inductor or only capacitor in particular AC circuit. That's why many of the time this combination, that is nothing but the RL series circuit or RC series circuit or RLC series circuit, many of the time this combination going to be practically used. Okay, प्रॅक्टिकली आपण काय करतोय ते मेनी ऑफ द टाइम यूज करतोय. बट जनरली जनरली मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू प्रेफर दिस आरसी कॉम्बिनेशन. त्याचं रिझन काय आहे, यू विल अंडरस्टँड व्हेन एव्हर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी दॅट पॉलिफेज सर्किट अँड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. बट जनरली वी आर प्रेफरिंग दी RC series circuit many of the time. RL series circuit is also there, but see, the very foremost important is the what I can say, means general I will tell you, the foremost important is the nature of current. Okay, म्हणजे आपण कुठलंही डिव्हाइस किंवा कुठल्याही पर्टिक्युलर एखाद्या ह्याचा ऑपरेशनचा विचार करताना वी आर गोइंग टू कन्सर्न ऑन दी नेचर ऑफ दी करंट. ओके, in the capacitive circuit what it will happen, in the capacitive circuit the current leads the voltage. Okay, and in the inductive circuit current lags the voltage. So we are going to prefer such a circuit practically in which the current is going to leads the voltage. Okay, म्हणजे आपण प्रॅक्टिकली असे सर्किट प्रेफर करतो की ज्या आपल्याला इम्पॉर्टंट काय, द नेचर ऑफ करंट. द नेचर ऑफ करंट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर अस, how it is behave with respect to the voltage, whether it is leading or whether it is lagging, that is important for us. So by considering or by referring in that way, what we are going to do, we are going to prefer the most of the time RC series circuit. Okay, आता RCC म्हणजे काय, सी म्हणजे काय, एक कॅपॅसिटन्स आहे. कॅपॅसिटन्स म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय तुम्हाला सांगतो, आता इंडक्टर आणि कॅपॅसिटन्स म्हणजे काय तुम्हाला, म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिकली पण तुम्ही घरात बघितलं असेल, पण ते तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युली कळणार नाही की तेच कॅपॅसिटन्स आहे, तोच इंडक्टर आहे. सगळ्यांनी आपले ट्यूब बघितले का, त्या ट्यूबला मध्ये एक असं काय म्हणतो आपण, चोक चोक सगळे म्हणतात बघा, ते कनेक्ट असतं असं काय म्हणतो, असं स्क्वेअर शेप किंवा रेक्टँगल शेप बरोबर ट्यूबच्या मध्ये कनेक्ट असतं. म्हणजे आता जर तुम्ही नवीन ट्यूब बघितलं तर त्याला नाही दिसणार, पण ज्या तुम्ही जुन्या ट्यूब बघत होता त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, कनेक्ट असायचं बघा मध्ये. सगळ्यांनी बघितलंय का?
Yes, sir.
दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी इंडक्टर. ओके, आणि तुम्ही कधी जर कुणी फॅन रिपेअरिंगला घेतला असेल तर त्या फॅनच्या वरच्या बाजूला तुम्हाला एक असं म्हणजे एक व्हाईट कलरचं एक हे दिसते पहा, असं आपलं सिलेंडर सारखं गोल गोल असतंय. ओके, येस, हा, सेल सारखं. दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी कॅपॅसिटर. ओके, तो काय आपला कॅपॅसिटर आहे. आणि जे तुम्ही ते चोक बघितलाय दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी इंडक्टर. आता त्या कॅपॅसिटर मध्ये काय असतंय, डिफरंट डिफरंट मटेरियल्स आहेत. इंडक्टर मध्ये काय फक्त असे डिफरंट डिफरंट कॉइल्स आहेत, असं वेगळं असं काही नाहीये, म्हणजे ते मटेरियल असं डिफरंट असं काही नाहीये, फक्त त्याच्यामध्ये काय अशा भरपूर कॉइल्स आहेत. ओके, आणि कॅपॅसिटर मध्ये काय असं जे कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल त्याच्यात भरलेलं आहे आणि त्याला काय केलेलं असं सिलेंड्रिकल असं शेप दिलेला आहे. बट दॅट इज ऑलवेज युजफुल व्हेन एव्हर वी आर गोइंग टू डिसाइड दी पॉवर फॅक्टर. ओके, ऑलवेज ते युजफुल आहे, कारण आपण पॉवर फॅक्टर त्या पर्टिक्युलर ह्याच्याने आपण काय करतोय, वी आर गोइंग टू डिसाइड. ओके, कुणी बघितलं नसेल, ज्या वेळेस कधी फॅन रिपेअरिंगला कोण येईल वगैरे काढलं तर तिथे बघा, तर तुम्हाला तो कॅपॅसिटर दिसेल. कुणाच्यात अजून जुन्या काही ठिकाणी ट्यूब्स असतील तर तुम्हाला ते हे पण दिसेल, काय म्हणतो, इंडक्टर चोक कॉइल पण दिसतील. ओके, त्यामुळं म्हणजे असं नाही की प्रत्येक वेळेस आपण हेच प्रेफर करतोय आणि हे प्रेफर नाही करत. इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट, विल डिपेंड अपॉन दी हाऊ वी आर, म्हणजे त्याचा यूज कसा आहे त्याच्यानुसार वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दॅट पर्टिक्युलर सर्किट. ओके, आणि लक्षात घ्या, अवर ब्रांच इज लाईक दिस, यू आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टँड इच अँड एव्हरीथिंग बाय सीइंग इट प्रॅक्टिकली. म्हणजे असं तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय तिथं, म्हणजे त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला ते दिसतंय ऍक्च्युली. असं इमॅजिनरी काय, हा इमॅजिनरी काय we cannot see the how the current is going to flow. Okay, it is only sensor, म्हणजे आपण सेन्स केला तरच आपल्याला करंट दिसतोय, की असं दिसत नाही की बाबा हा ह्या वायर मधून असा करंट चाललाय. इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट. ओके, आपण जर ते सेन्स केलं तर आपल्याला कळतंय करंट आहे. पण देर इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ऍडव्हान्टेज ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग अँड अदर अलाइड ब्रांचेस इज दॅट you can practically see that there, means whatever happening is there, you can see that practically, so that you can understand, yeah, it's going in this way, yeah, it's going in this way. Okay, so this is the make a habit that whenever something you can purchase from the market, or something you can purchase from your what I can say for your home appliances, त्याच्यावर काय काय लिहिलंय हे बघण्याची हॅबिट राहू द्या. म्हणजे काय बाबा त्याच्यावर काय लिहिलंय, पॉवर रेटिंग कितीला ऑपरेट होते, किंवा त्याचं लाईफ कितीचं आहे, त्याचे वॅट आवर्स कितीचे आहेत, हे थोडस बघण्याची तुमची हॅबिट राहू द्या. कारण दिस इज अ व्हेरी हेल्पफुल. हे तुम्हाला परत इन नियर फ्युचर इट विल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. ओके, सो सी, we have studied two circuit RL and RC, but whenever we are going to study the another point, that is RC RLC series circuit. Okay, now see, I will just give the brief introduction about that. Whatever details we will study in after that. But आता बघा काय असणार आहे RLC म्हणजे काय, this is nothing but the R, this is the L, and this is nothing but the C. They are connected in series and connected across this V. Okay, this is the R, this is the L, and this is C. Okay, काय काय जण असं पण म्हणतात बघा LCR. आपण ऍक्च्युली शिकताना आपण काय शिकतोय RLC सिरीज सर्किट. काय काय ठिकाणी असं पण तुम्हाला दिसेल LCR सिरीज सर्किट. मिनिंग ऑफ बोथ दिस इज सेम. म्हणजे असं काय वेगळं असं काय नाहीये ह्यांचं मिनिंग की RLC वेगळं आहे आणि LCR, बोथ आर सेम. ओके, आता इथं काय असणार आहे बघा, इथं तुम्हाला VR ची व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे, बरोबर आहे. यू आर हॅव्हिंग दी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ VL, then you are having the value of VC. Means you are having this resistance R here, you are having the inductive reactance XL here, as well as you are having the capacitive reactance XC here. Okay, but what we have to do, we have to analyze this circuit based on three conditions. आपल्याला काय करायचंय, हे सर्किट बेस्ड ऑन थ्री कंडिशन आपल्याला काय करायचंय, अनालाइज करायचंय. कुठल्या तीन कंडिशन आहेत. पहिली कंडिशन, when VL is greater than VC. VL is greater than VC म्हणजेच काय, that is XL is greater than XC. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट कंडिशन आपल्याला काय बघायची आहे, VL is less than VC, means VC is greater than VL, or you can say that XL is less than XC. आणि थर्ड कंडिशन आहे, that is VL is equal to VC. VL is equal to VC. Now based on these three condition, what we have to do, we have to analyze the circuit. आपल्याला काय करायचं, ह्या तीन कंडिशन आपल्याकडे आहेत, VL greater than VC, VL less than VC, and VL is equal to VC. Now for this all three circuits, now this last condition is very simple and easy, but as far as this circuit is concerned, VL is greater than VC. What we have to do, we have to draw the circuit, all these things like what we have seen previously, that is phasor diagram, voltage triangle, impedance triangle, all these things. After VL is less than VC, we have to draw all these things. This last part is very easy, that is VL is equal to VC. Okay, and after covering that, we have to solve the example based on this particular coverage. Okay, फॉर्म्युले डिफिकल्ट नाहीत, एक्झाम्पल पण डिफिकल्ट नाहीये त्याचे, but only you just know the what I can say calci work. तुम्हाला calci work एकदम व्यवस्थितरित्या आलं पाहिजे. Then all examples which are covering in this particular RLC, RC, RL series circuit, these are very very easy. Okay, and this RLC series circuit, this is the what I can say last part of our chapter, but it is very important, RLC series circuit. Okay, so whatever details are there, we can study this detail in the Monday's lecture. Now just I